Whether the resource is a PowerPoint, a PDF, linked article, or other file type, Collaboration in Common makes it easy on the user to move from resource to resource. The platform makes each resource uniform in text font and size. Additionally, the platform removes all advertisements from outside websites, making your experience less commercial. For example, you can use the highlighter on the screen to highlight important information. Simply select the information and select Mark Insight. You can then share that highlight with others by hovering the cursor over the insight and selecting how you would like to share that information. Should you select email, for example, the system will generate an email to the recipient of your choosing. You are also able to start discussions about the resource using the box to the right with the title, Start a Discussion. Simply type in the name of a team or individual on Collaboration in Common and then select Invite. You can then begin your conversation. The platform will generate an email to the individual or group to notify him or her that you have started a conversation. Another capability of the platform is found at the top of the resource by selecting the V enclosed in a circle. Tags are useful for helping others find resources faster. To add or edit a tag, select Add Tags. You can then type in your own tag or one of the alignment tags. After typing in your tag, press the Enter button on your keyboard and then select Close. An important feature to be aware of is the source link. Below the title of the document is the word Source with a colon next to it. After the colon is a link to either download the document or back to the original source on the web. If the source says Content Collaboration in Common org, then it was a file that was uploaded by another individual on the platform. Simply select this link to create a web version that can be downloaded. Lastly, Collaboration in Common makes it quick to move resources around the platform. As you find resources valuable to your teams or collections you curate, you are able to move that resource by selecting the Collect button in the upper right and choosing the team or collection to move the resource. and choosing the team or collection to move the resource.